Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, you'll learn about my daily life, practice new English words and sentences, and improve your speaking skills. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning and brush my teeth. Then I enjoy a cup of tea while watching the sunrise. After breakfast, I leave for school at 8 a.m. At school, I study different subjects and have fun with my friends during the lunch break. After school, I go home, do my homework, and sometimes read my favorite book. In the evening, I help my mom prepare dinner. After dinner, I relax, watch TV, and go to bed at 9:30 p.m. Routine. The things you do regularly, usually in the same order. 2. Sunrise. The time in the morning when the sun comes up. 3. Subject, a topic or area of study, like math or science. 4. Break, a short rest during work or school. 5. Homework, schoolwork that you do at home. 6. Prepare, to make or get something ready, like food or homework. 7. Relax, to rest or do something that makes you feel calm. 8. Enjoy, to feel happy or have fun doing something. 9. Dinner, the main meal of the evening. 10. Favorite, something you like the most out of a group. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. After breakfast, I leave for school at 8 a.m. I study many subjects like math and English. During lunch break, I talk with my friends. After school, I go home and do my homework. In the evening, I help my mom prepare dinner. I like to relax by watching TV or reading a book. My favorite book is about adventure. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. every night. This is my daily routine. So, that's my daily life. From waking up early to going to bed at night, my day is full of activities like studying, helping at home, and spending time with my family. Now it's your turn to think about your daily life. What do you do in a day? Practice speaking about it using the new words and sentences you've learned today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed learning about my day. See you in the next lesson.